Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable reporting problems with sites in Opera browser computer. So how to disable reporting problems with sites in Opera browser computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the interface menu. Then tap to disable reporting problems with sites. This feature is used to disable the site problem reporting option in the Opera browser, so that users cannot send reports related to websites. So that's it, the tutorial how to disable reporting problems with sites in Opera browser computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.